Hello and welcome to Jeff's Pianist Academy. Today's video is a tutorial for a nice Easter song, Jesus Christ is Risen Today. It's easy, it's in C major, you will be able to play this even if you have just started to play the piano, maybe a couple of lessons, and you are able to play this piece. Don't mind the snow in the background, we start to prepare early enough. So when Easter comes and the trees are blooming, you will be able to play this for your family and friends. It's a really nice composition. So let's start. By the way, I forgot to mention that we prepared music for you, so please read in the description below how you can get this file. The best way would be to print it right away and to watch this video, because we are going to go step by step and it might be very helpful to have the music in front of you. And before we start playing, I really recommend you to play once a scale and the chords of this tonality so you understand it better. So in our case it's C major, super easy. Also with the left hand. And the left hand as well. You will need these chords in the left hand right at the beginning, so it's better you play it once before starting to sight read. C, E, G, C, F, A. You can play it a couple of times to feel comfortable. I hope you have the music in front of you. Usually we would start practicing with the right hand. Today we will do it the other way around. We start with the left hand. So the first chord is the C major triad, C, E, G, and we are holding it for 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're playing measure 5. Please play it slowly with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. So measure 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This was the left hand. Please play it through a couple of times. It's not so difficult and I hope you can read these notes. The only problem could be at the end. C, F, G and C. And this is also C, F, G, C, but the left hand goes down. So you might need to learn these notes. And now you can enjoy the right hand, because the right hand is playing the melody, the very well-known melody. And this is the reason I ask you to play the triad at the beginning, because these are exactly the notes you will be playing in the melody. let's take a look at the measure 9 again. What we see here is actually G major. When you're playing measure 11, you're playing the same melody as you played before in C major. Your fingers may recognize this, but now it is in G major. Remember? So we just shift our hand here. And it works with the same fingering, very easy. But now the challenge is to play it together. My recommendation would be to play first 4 beats, playing the C major triad like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because then it will be easier for you to start playing. And then you have to be prepared for the next measure. So please choose a slow tempo like this. I really hope this tutorial was helpful for you and you will be able to play this beautiful song very soon. Good luck with practicing and see you soon!